subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, drop some good comments, and share the video with friends. Check the description of this video to join the free Telegram channel for more updates and some other stuff like that. All right, so step index. So we now have step 1. Is it step 200? Let me see. We now have step 200 and step 500. I've never traded any of those. It's only this the main step, the first step that we've been trading. That's what I'm trading. I'm still trading till now. Okay. Yeah. So my reason for this trade is very simple. It's very simple. Let me delete this. So we smashed TP1, 2, and 3 already. But my target is here. This is my final target because we are in an uptrend. The uptrend just started. Okay. The market has been going down for a while on the 4 hours time frame. Remember what I've been showing you guys. A lot of people think when I come here and share my strategy, my setups, some of my setups, you think I'm just making noise. I'm just looking for views, subscribers, and all. But I've been giving out some important information here. Okay, I've been giving out some important information. So like here, this is a swing low, a swing high, swing low, swing high. Might drop back again to do a swing low, as simple as that. And you're looking for buying opportunity. So when it's going up like this, when we are in an uptrend and the market is actually going up like this, when it's about to create this wave, this swing high, this is an impulsive move to the upside, and this one here is a correction. And once market breaks this previous high, goes up, it has created this an impulsive move, then back to this level again is a pullback. So whenever market creates a new high, so like we have higher high here, higher low, higher high. Once market breaks this previous high, that means it has created a new high. That means we are still in an uptrend. The uptrend is still valid. Okay, so what you would do now will be waiting for a pullback. Okay, then you buy. Then the pullback should be at your demand, should be your demand zone. Okay, as it's dropping, you look for your demand zone by the left. Go to the left where the market moved from before and look for your demand zone. I believe a lot of you, some of you guys should know that by now, how to identify your demand and supply. So as is like here, my reason for this trade is we had the first breakout pullback and this other breakout. I know the markets will be going back to this demand zone. Okay, this is the demand zone. So I waited for it on the 4 hours time frame while it was coming. I placed this trend line. I put this trend line to to be able to know if market has gotten to that zone somehow. And also on the lower time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, this is a demand. This is a demand zone. This level, this is a demand zone. Okay, this is a demand zone. So market went up, took this level out. On this way down, that it will be coming to a demand zone. This demand zone, you can see the pressure around this level. We have strong bullish candlesticks around this level here. Okay, and also market has been reversing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 places around this zone. So that makes it a very strong level on the chart. And again, it's a demand. All right, it's a demand. Then coupled with the fact that market is creating highs, so we are in an uptrend and markets dropped again back to this confluence. Okay, this confluence here. So that makes it a very high probability setup. See, we have both the horizontal line and trend line crossing here around this level. So this is a strong confluence here. So whenever you have a confluence, that means your probability is really high. Okay, so we had uptrend 1, market dropped back to this trend line 2, this is a pullback 3, and this is a demand zone 4, and where market has been reversing before, that's 5 reasons. Now we also need to consider the candlestick. So before you take a trade, don't rush any trade. Don't rush your trade, because some people, once they see market dropping back to their demand or supply, they want to take the trade already. You want to see your market. If it's coming to the demand zone, you want to be sure that it has losing momentum, like that bearish momentum is no longer there. Okay. How do you know? You start seeing some rejection, you start seeing some tiny candlesticks, bearish candlesticks. Okay, that's when you know. You can see this one here. We had this long rejection, which is my key reason why I gave this signal. We had this long rejection right there. Then if you check on the 15 minutes time frame, we also have this candlestick. This is kind of a reversal candlestick for me. Okay, so immediately I saw this, I jumped in and gave my guys. So market went up. When it was dropping back, I opened another position here. Okay, then I closed out. I leave my app for a while because I risked $200, around $200, and I was just, okay, if it takes the $200, fine. But if it doesn't, then I'm about to make some bars. Okay, you can see now we are in good profits, and I'm making so much profit already, over 4K running in profit. Okay, over 4K running profit. So that's simple, guys. If you do what I'm doing now, watch this video for it to have good understanding. You need to watch this video over and over for good understanding, better understanding, and how to use this same strategy to take your trade. I did not hide anything. Like, you've seen almost everything. Okay, you've seen almost everything. This almost what I've been doing, what I did here, though I have some other strategies that I've been using. This is just one of my strategy, and this one is pretty simple for anybody to, to do. Even the price action guys, the retail guys, yeah, the retail guys, this is what they use every day for their trading. So with just this, you don't even need indicator to tell you when to buy or when to sell. You don't need an AI, you don't need anything to tell you when to buy or when to sell. You see, it's very simple. Market is moving like that, and it's going back to that point again this time. It's likely to break this point this time around, but I'm still watching. I might not sleep tonight because I have to secure some profits. Okay, we have to secure some profits. We are blessed. The VIPs, they are 18 with Smash TP 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so let me take this again. Let me take this again. On your 4 hours time frame, we are having an uptrend. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high. Market drops back again to create another, to the higher demand zone to create another higher high. So I knew that it would be going up. Then I waited for it on the lower time frame. Then let's say on the 30 minutes time frame, this place is where market has been reversing before. I placed my trend line. Market pass around that level. This way market has been reversing. You can see 1, 2. This is the third time, right? Then I realized that we have something like a demand here, or you call it support. It's still the same thing to me around this level. We have that support there where market has been respecting. You can see market reversed here and here and here and here. So very simple, right? Then after that, I wanted to see market lose momentum around this level, and it has, you can see the rejection. That shows that we no longer have that bearish pressures. The buyers are in. That's why they dragged price upward. So immediately I saw that on the 30 minutes time frame, and also a good confirmation on the 15 minutes time frame. I opened those positions and I gave it to my VIP. They're 18. We are winning, guys. You need to join the VIP team. The academy is open for everybody. The academy is open. Just chat me up. Check the description to chat me up. Join the team. Everybody's supposed to know how to trade before the end of 2024. It's not a big deal. It's very simple. All right. So check the description to chat me up direct on my WhatsApp or my Telegram link to chat me up. Yeah. So that's what I did, literally. I think that'll be all for now. The message is right here. Bye-bye.